Well, guess what? I got in my balls. The balls came in. Gotta love the red balls. So had to get 6. Spent like $33. It's cheaper by bulk, but it's not cheaper when you need only 4. They wanted like $14 plus another $15 for shipping or something crazy. I was like, no. I'll just buy it off Amazon and get it in 2 days and get 6. So this is turning into like $90 to try this out. Hopefully you like it. I got to remove that tire and the one with the balls. Here we go. You can check out that lube on there. So let's just put it right here. Yeah, I don't think it dried out. I'll add a little more in there to make sure, but still felt a little slick. I think it's slowly drying out if I were to leave it longer. But yeah, so 4 more balls right there, I think. Well, I did it. I got the balls in. Now the next challenge is I have to take the other tire off the rim and try to get that rim on with all these balls. So how many balls do I have? And they're all lubed really well. I added a little more lube due to the other slightly drying out just because it was in open air. And I used 19 balls total. I didn't need 4 more, I just needed 3 more. That looks pretty good. And hopefully I can get that onto the rim. Oh my God, this is good. Now this is gonna be a challenge. I've never done a bib. So, wow. Let's see if I can do it. I might not even be able to do it, guys. Well, I'm gonna try though. Well, here I am. I got the other tire and tube out. And I just need to put this on. Like I said, I've never mounted a bib, so I know it's the same procedure. So I might even have to watch a video myself on how that's done. I'm going to just try to tackle it myself with all the knowledge I know about tires. I used to have a whole Nomar tire changing. I used to change tires for people for like $10 each, $15 each when I had my professional Nomar machine, and I had the whole shebang at the time. So I'm going to give it a whirl because I have a lot of knowledge in changing tires. I even did car tires on my Nomar. So yeah, I went that far. I would never do that again, but I did it for fun. So I'll see if I can figure this out. Give myself 10 minutes or so just to play around and see if I can get her done. Wow, that was ridiculously hard. I'll give you a brief explanation, but I'm not going to go in depth because if this doesn't work, who really cares how you install it, right? But if it works, if this were to work, then I'd do a much more detailed video of exactly how I did this install. But this is basically how I did it. Pretty straightforward, really. If you have the New Tech tubeless system and you have these, just take out, instead of having 19 balls in your rear tire, I took out, I think I left in 8 or 9, and I put this in. There's no balls in the bottom. I put it in, and then I used the tire spoons, just like you would put on a tubeless, and drop the rim in, rim lock down first, and it just fell right in. And then what I did, because these are balls, and because they're 4-inch, I just took the remainder balls, made sure they were lubed up, and I stuffed them. I lifted up in the sidewall and stuffed them in. So just to prove they're in there, can you see those? It's kind of hard to show, but yep, all around here, there are tire balls. So this took 19 of these, and now all I have to do is close it up. Hopefully I can do that. Hopefully the bead seats, I could not do this. I looked at a Bib Moose video, and of course they have the Anaconda, and boom, 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 within minutes, the guy has it on. I'm like, well, I don't have that. I have nothing to hold this down, and I'm obviously not gonna buy something for this project. So I just installed it the tubeless way. Because they're balls, they're individual, and you can just, pull up the sidewall, squeeze the foam ball, put them in, they expand, boom, 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 all the way around. Everything was already pre-lubed really well, so when I took them out, kind of made a mess. But that's good. More lube is better than not enough. So let me see if I can button this up now. It is hot out here, guys. Well, I got it on. It wasn't actually that hard. I've actually more sweating because I'm up and down. Part of the bead didn't seat. I'll show you that. So up here, as you can see, didn't seat. Seated fine here, and the other half, this part didn't. And then over here, that part didn't. But I saw a video. We're gonna give it a whirl. The guy just started the bike, put it in 6th gear, and he was on 2-stroke, but just ran it. And I guess the centrifugal force popped it on. So we're gonna see if that works. Stick the key in, turn it on. Start it right up. Pull on the clutch. Well, that didn't work, and I don't feel like running it until flat out. I want to just ride up and down the street, see if that kind of settles things. Yeah, let's give that a try. I tried the carb cleaner, but I guess that's not the same as ether, so I didn't get any kabooms or anything. Because I wanted to try that too. So I should have installed this. I had it, but kind of late. And yeah, I'm gonna go give it a ride and see if that works. Well, guys, I took the bike up and down the street. It is softer than can be, and it didn't seat the bead either. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's squashed. I mean, it doesn't take much. I don't think the balls are gonna actually work. I don't know if you can see those knobs, but yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. Now, out of interest, and because I would have to change the tire anyways back and put the tube back into this, what do you think? Do you think I should go ahead and maybe run this tomorrow and just see? Take it to Captain Jack's first thing in the morning and run it up the single track and just see what happens. There's a rim lock in it, so in theory I should be able to putz back to the truck. Maybe just take it section at a time and just see how it goes. I can always turn around and slowly coast back down the hill. I mean, that's probably a good place to go. It's not that far. I wouldn't have to probably hike out or anything. I don't know, what do you think? Should I test this? It's squirrely as heck on the street. If I had to ride from the street to my usual, like roads and stuff, I wouldn't do it. Not safe. Not safe at all, 19 balls. Doesn't work. Is it gonna work on the trail? Probably not. It's just gonna be so soft, even though I put a lot of lube, it's probably gonna build heat, and that foam is probably going to fail. So I probably wasted $90 on this little experiment, but hopefully you find it interesting. I don't make that much on my channel, but like I said, hopefully you find it interesting. So what do you think? Leave a comment down below. Should I try this out tomorrow?